Hey, what's going on you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how do you use keyboard shortcuts in your Gmail account. So let's start. Alright, so here it is actually fine if you fumble around with your mouse, click on things and elements in here, but it would be much more efficient if you can use your keyboard shortcuts. Now, to access your keyboard shortcuts, all you have to do is press Shift plus question mark on your keyboard, and it is going to pull out the keyboard shortcuts for Gmail. Now you have keyboard shortcuts for composing a mail, such as add CC or add BCC. You can also insert a link and all other important things that you can use while you are composing an email or chat. You can also have your keyboard shortcuts for formatting like undo or redo. You have bold or italics and all those things that you need when you are formatting your email. So you also have additional shortcuts here for jumping, thread list selection, navigation, application, and actions. So you can review all these shortcuts here and take full advantage of them. All right, now that is all for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.